this is where I'm at right now. And if you can see, this is the chuck. It's sticking out right here. This to be safe. That's for safety reasons, because if it's not sticking out past the end of this chuck, and you go in and you're cutting and you hit one of these, it's called crashing machine. You'll break this whole piece and everything. So you want this sticking out, so when you're cutting, you only cut, no matter what you do, you only cut the material. You don't cut into the headstock or the chuck or you know, your left hand, your bit and all that breaks, and you got problems. You have metal flying everywhere. You could probably die or something. You'll get hurt real bad. So I'm taking off. So you see it cleaned it up more. I still got these now. I gotta get it all where it's all nice, get rid of all this stuff. So I'm gonna go on 15, 15, 15 until it's all like a mirror shine. And I just got this handout today. I didn't have it earlier. So the first 3 operations is, you know, you get your blank piece with the file chamfer, all 12 edges, the hex power blank, which I did. I cleaned those up. And chuck the aluminum piece, you know, part blank, the first 3 jaw chuck, which blah blah blah. You know, you want it, like I said, protruding beyond the thing. That's the safety part. And this is where I'm at right now. So right here. Okay, so when you're cutting, you never want to come back when you're trying to clear up this whole face. You never come past the center, because you can knock your piece out the chuck. So, and then if you want to know whether your piece is too high or too low, if there's a little tit, like you can feel a lump, then it's too low. Then the opposite means it's too high. So basically, you know, I can feel like a little nipple right there. So we already, you know, raised it up here, locked it down, and then, you know, when you're doing all this stuff, you want to use your brush, you know, make sure that all these files and shavings that you had from the last cut aren't in there, because that can adversely affect your, you know, where it is when you set it. So I'm just going to keep coming in 15 thousandths, you know, 23 is my 0 right now. I can set the dial at 0 if I want, but basically all you got to do is remember where you're at when you stop and you turn off the machine, and then you come in another 15 and blah 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 blah, and then until it's all where you want it. Alright? Okay, I got rid of all the hack marks, but you can see I got this little tit right here, so my tool is still too low, so I raised it, loosen this, gave this little turn, brings that up, and walk it back down, come across another time. So I'm almost done here.
So I might as well just replace this.